Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. Today we're going to be making a card using Nothing's Better Than stamp set. This is a $1 Million Achiever stamp set by Connie Stewart. She helped design this stamp set once she reached her $1 million sales goal. And it also has a coordinating die set, Love You More Than dies, and this is it. It has the words Love You More Than, coffee, cookies, cocktails, chocolate. Then a couple of images can get cut out with the dies, okay? And we're also going to be using the Rainbow Glimmer Paper. I don't know if I can get all of this in. If it's the shine from the plastic is going to be on there. This is just pieces for my cut. But you get 2 sheets of this in the package. 12 by 12. I don't know how much you can see. So that's it. Very pretty. I haven't used either of these products yet. The bundle of the Nothing's Better Than or the Glimmer Paper. So this is going to be the first time that I'm creating a project with it. And we're also going to be using these Stitched So Sweetly dies. That comes in a bundle with the So Sentimental stamp set. I think it's still bundled. I can't remember when I bought it, but it was in a bundle when I bought it. But if you don't purchase it when it comes out and it carries over to the next catalog, they don't put them in the bundle anymore. And the bundle is when you get the 2 products together and save 10%. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. I have a basic black card base here, and this card base is 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. We have a sheet of Whisper White for our inside that we're going to go ahead and get stamping on that, and that is cut at 3.5 by 4 3.5 by 4 3/4. And I'm going to use some Granny Apple Green, and I'm going to stamp the sentiment on the inside, which says, because adulting is hard. And we're going to just put that right here in the middle. It's kind of straight. And I also have the little lemon, lime, orange wedge. And I'm just going to stamp one down there in the corner. And then we're gonna take this wedge, I'm gonna clean it off on my chamois here. And I'm gonna stamp one in Daffodil Delight to make a lemon. So we'll have a lemon and a lime. How do I want to put this? That one's going up. I want them both kind of... Oop, I didn't quite go down. Let's see if I can line that up. I don't like it. Let's see. Why is it... Okay, there we go. So let me stamp the other colors again. I wasn't pushing down on this stamp. I was trying not to rock it, but I wasn't pushing down all the way, so I wasn't getting a good image. I need to clean that off. I'll just set this one like that. Then stamp our sentiment again. There we go. That is the inside of our card. And I'm going to get some liquid glue. We're going to go ahead and put this in. Go ahead and stick that down to the middle, the inside. Okay, that part is done. So we'll move this stamp out of the way and clean it in a moment. Then we're going to, let's close up our glue. I have some scrap Whisper White here, and we're going to stamp a cocktail. Let's get our Flirty Flamingo and our Melon Mambo. Let's see if I can get it as good as I got it the last time. We'll just put this right in the middle this time. Oh, it's like a little triangle in there. Okay. Close these inks up. Restamp the glass, and this time we can get the full glass. And I'm sorry if you see my head, but I gotta get over it. It's just easier for me to see that color, and I'm still a little off, but that's okay. And then we're gonna take the Granny Apple Green. We're gonna make a lime wedge right here. I am not pressing down for some reason on that corner. We have a two-tone lime. That's okay. And then we also have a stamp set that can, not a stamp set, but a stamp that will fill this umbrella image in. But I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to use the Stampin' Blends in Flirty Flamingo. This is the dark Flirty Flamingo. I'll just color that in. And then we would just take our die, line this up, and cut it out. Okay, simple as that. It's cute, right? I like it. I'll probably cut that one out later and use it on something else. Okay, so I've already done that, and I've made three that I want to put on my card. And I didn't do the multicolor on this. That's why I showed it to you, because I do like it better with the multicolor, but I had already done these and I was like, they're gonna do. So what I did was I took a piece of the glimmer paper that is 5 by 3 3/4. And I took one of the Stitch So Sweetly dies and cut out a scalloped stitched rectangle out of the middle. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this and put it right back on here, but we're going to flip it. So the color, the yellow is on this side. We're going to flip it so it'll be this way, but we're going to layer a layer of black on here first before we do that. And I don't know if I told you guys this, but when I get my glimmer paper, I always put the adhesive sheets on the back, on the whole sheet. So if I cut out letters or words with it, the adhesive is already on the back of the glimmer paper. So it's already on here, and we're just gonna, let me see if it's not all the way to the edges. Let me get a little liquid glue. Just a little bit of the liquid glue to put on these edges here, because this piece might have been at the end and I didn't get the edges. So we're going to, I want it this way with the yellow first. We're going to try to center this on our card front. And then I have a piece of basic black that is 4 by 2 3/4, I believe. And we're going to glue this on. Oh no, I see my glue is seeping out right here and here. I guess I put a little too much, but we're going to just put this right here in the center. And then we're going to get some dimensionals. These are the basic black dimensionals. Do I want dimensionals? No, that's why I use this. Because it has the adhesive already on it. I was like, wait a minute. There we go. I have to see up close. And then we're going to just put this on with the yellow, away from the yellow. So we're going to reverse it and just center that in here. Boy, I tell you, you guys know me and straight. That is not straight at all. But these are what we're gonna pop up on dimensionals. So I don't want the black ones, I want the white ones, and I'm gonna use the minis so I can get behind the tops. Whoops, because I have to get the dimensional to put it on. Then we'll use one regular size dimensional in the middle of each glass. There we go. Okay, so let's see. We're gonna have the Bermuda, this is Bermuda Bay. My voice, excuse me. This one I stamped the drink in Bermuda Bay. And we have Granny Apple Green and Flirty Flamingo. The umbrellas are Flirty Flamingo and Granny Apple Green. I think I want to have it kind of up. I'm going to do the two pink umbrellas on the outside. And they all have lemon wedges, no limes or oranges. Ooh, you know what would have been pretty? If they had a little strawberry to stamp in there. That would have been cute. That would have been a real fruity tropical drink. Then we have this one to go in the middle. In the middle. Oh, I took it off. Okay, and then I went ahead of time and cut out the word cocktails from a strip of this paper is the other side, and I had a strip left of the green, so I cut out cocktails using the Love You More Than dies, and I did it twice, once in the green and once in the basic black, and just layered it to make it look like it has a little shadow. And the glimmer paper had the adhesive on the back, but the basic black cardstock did not. So I have to adhere this using some Tombow liquid glue. But it's okay. It works out great. But it would be best to run this through your machine with the adhesive on the back of your cardstock that you're going to be putting on the bottom. That way you don't have to put glue on these tiny letters. And we're just going to put the word cocktails right here. And I have the tiny little eye. I'm going to just try to put some adhesive down right there. And I'm going to take my Take Your Pick tool. I also layered this with the green and black. But it's so small. I don't want this in. I want the sticky in. We're just going to put that right down there. Whoop. It's sticky too much. Okay. There we go. And now that multi-purpose glue will dry clear. So there we have it. That is the card. I like it. It would have been better if it was straight, but I like it in the inside. Maybe I should stamp a drink on the inside. Yes, let's do that. So we can't mess up because this is already glued down. So I'm gonna show you the reverse, the way most people do it. Or not most people, I shouldn't say that because I don't know. I didn't count how many people do it this way, but some people do it this way. So we're just gonna stamp our outline first and then fill it in with the color. So let's go ahead and give this one a lime. Since all the ones on the front have lemons, we'll do a lime. And we'll try to, nope, I still didn't get it down. I think I just didn't go over enough on that time. Then we'll take our Flirty Flamingo marker, Stampin' blend, and color the umbrella in. And then we'll do our drink. And wipe that off so I won't get Melon Mambo in my Flirty Flamingo. And the Melon Mambo. And we'll just fill it in. There we go. That is cute. I like it. What do you think? Isn't it cute? I wished I was on a cruise drinking one of these drinks right now. That is our project today using the Nothing's Better Than bundle and some Rainbow Glimmer Paper. That's all I have for you today. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment below. As always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later.